Have you ever wondered which Jamaican make the most money on YouTube? Well, according to Digital Information World, Javier Nathaniel earns over 955 million US dollars per year. That's approximately $500 per hour if you're gonna work it out in terms of a work week. This is without even showing his face on YouTube. This is the true power of the internet. Like, you have to start using the internet, guys. Don't just be consumers, start producing. Guys, we're in the technological age. We need to start utilizing the internet more in terms of generating an income, and there's no shortage of ways and ideas of how you can go about doing this. I say this all the time, and I don't know how much of you think about it, like literally sit down and even have a drink over it. When you create a piece of content, you can get paid for the lifetime of that piece of content, right? Now, when you work 1 hour or 8 hours within your corporate job or whatever work you do, right? You will not get paid for that hour again. It's done and it's gone. Like, you can't earn from it again. Now, when I took a look at Nathaniel's channel, within the last 3 years, he has posted just 4 videos. Now, think about it. If you're gonna run the math on that, that's less than 1.5 video per year. Imagine just posting a video per year, not a video per month, per year, and still making a bank. Now, that's passive income right there. You do it one time and you get paid for years upon years upon years. Now, Nathaniel's channel is a sports channel which has approximately 2 million subscribers. 2 million subscribers. Did he do this overnight? No. His YouTube channel was created 2010. And you know what many are going to say, boy, 13 years is a long time. But in the grand scheme of things, guess what? The average individual may go to school for approximately 18 years thereabout just to get a job that may pay less than $100,000, right? But if you don't look at it like that, you're not gonna say that was long. So if it take you 13 years to work on a stream of income that will eventually do whatever you want, I think in the context of things, that is a short period of time. Now, the other thing is that the average individual is going to be working at least 40 years and will never know what $1 million US look like. But guess what the average person can do today? They can start a YouTube channel under an hour, literally less than an hour. Like, this is how simple it is today to start earning some extra income. Like, literally all you need in the technological age is a laptop or a microphone, or a laptop and a microphone and a camera. Like, it's literally that simple. You don't need to go to college to get a 4-year degree. You just need to have general knowledge in something, and then you can offer that information or whatever service on the internet using the tools I just mentioned. Now, this is where a lot of individuals get demotivated when it comes down to making money on YouTube or getting monetized on YouTube. So for YouTube to pay you directly, you need to be accepted in what is called YouTube Partner Program. Now, to achieve this, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 1,000 subscribers with 10 million views from YouTube Shorts. Seems like a steep milestone, ain't it? But what I can say is just start, continue, and be consistent. Now, you think I thought 6,250 of you would be watching me today or subscribe to my channel? But guess what? I stay consistent and I try to post every single month. I've never missed a month from I started this journey on YouTube. I never missed a month. So consistency is the key. So you may be motivated today, right? But guess what? The motivation will die down sometime. But when you be consistent now and keep on creating those videos, you will see the reward. And guys, one of the great things about YouTube is that you don't have to be in the partner program to actually earn money from YouTube. You can monetize your content through affiliate marketing, or companies will reach out to you and sponsor your content. So for example, this video today was sponsored by jadeals.com, which is an online store where you can get like your gadgets, your microphone, your ring light, if you're planning on starting out your YouTube channel. Well, I know you're gonna start a YouTube channel. So at first it may seem like an uphill task and you're wondering who is going to sponsor your videos. But guess what? There will always be someone watching. It's the internet, it's a big place. You may never know who is watching your content, like it and want to support it. So again, I want to thank JDeals for sponsoring this video. And if you plan to shop on jadeals.com, you can use my referral code MR to get discounts on whatever you're purchasing. Now, when you start YouTube now, don't go and try to be Nathaniel, right? Focus on being you. So sometimes it's not necessarily about thinking big, but it's about thinking practical. I need to earn US dollars from Jamaica. That's a lot of Jamaicans cry. But guess what they think about when it comes down to earning US dollars from Jamaica? They need a job. Now, when you're thinking about earning US dollars from Jamaica or anywhere around the world, you can shift your thinking from just thinking about getting a job to what type of content you can create or what kind of products you can sell online. Now, you're going to be focused on creating it instead of waiting on someone to give you a job to earn that US dollars. Now, like I've said in one of my videos some time ago, all I needed to believe that it was possible to earn US dollars online was when I received 4 cents from Google AdSense. Literally 4 cents. Man, I was so excited, so I was like, damn, I need to focus on this thing more. Again, if you want some motivation, use me as motivation. Literally, 2 years ago thereabout, I never saw myself in front of a camera recording myself. I didn't even like doing voiceovers and listening to myself because that's how my YouTube channel kind of started out, right? So I was able to develop the courage to start YouTube, so you can too. However, remember guys, when you start YouTube, focus on your own race and don't compare yourself to someone else. So that's it for now guys, and if you're new here, don't forget to check out the rest of my content and then give me a subscribe.